An astounding 43,000 pounds of thrust. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the thunder, because here comes the lightning. Now get your cameras in for the photo pass. Here you will hear and feel the thunder as you pass the show center in Mach's afterburner. Take a note of how slowly the aircraft cuts through the air as exotic propulsion. To now demonstrate the agility of the F-35C, Major Clark will approach for a tactical pitch. From a speed of 300 miles per hour, Exotic will select full afterburner, roll the aircraft into a 45-degree turn, and showcase the F-35's ability to rapidly reposition its nose at slow speeds and high angles of attack. He will then climb into the vertical, demonstrating the power of the Lightning II as he accelerates away from the ground. From the left, the F-35C's tactical pitch. Exotic will bring the Lightning II in for a 4-point roll. Flying at 300 feet and 350 knots, watches the aircraft rolls 90 degrees at a time until it is once again fully upright. Major Clark will then select the next afterburner, perform a steep climb and toughen a roll, and set up for the next maneuver. Here is the 4-point roll. The force of gravity. To put that into perspective, during this maneuver, Exotic's body weight will feel close to 1,500 pounds. During an aerial dogfight, the F-35C can execute extremely tight turns, giving it the ability to rapidly reposition its nose. And AIM-9 Sidewinder, as well as a variety of GPS and laser-guided air surface bombs. To maintain its self-profile. aircraft that flare and land as smoothly as possible, the F-35C shipboard landing is much more violent. Shipboard landings require incredible precision to put the hook into the arresting wires on a moving flight deck. These types of landings are why the F-35C requires larger and stronger landing gear than both the A and B models, as well as better pilots. Throughout his career, Major Clark has amassed over 100 shipboard landings.
That's 5420.
Down to an airspeed of 115 miles per hour, watch as the control surfaces rapidly fluctuate in order to maintain stability at such a slow speed. After passing show center, Major Clark will select max afterburner to display the sheer power of the Pratt & Whitney motor as he climbs away from the deck. Exotic will now set up for the high-speed pass. Pulling 6 Gs back towards the show line, he will approach show center at 300 feet at 0.95 Mach. You may notice white vapor coming off the aircraft indicating it's approaching speed of sound at nearly 750 miles per hour. While the aircraft is capable of speeds much greater than this, Major Clark must be careful not to exceed the speed of sound, as the sonic boom could shatter nearby windows. The ability to ingress at low altitudes and high speeds enables aircrew to avoid detection and preserve the element of surprise. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lightning II's high-speed pass. For his final maneuver of today's performance. As he approaches for one last tactical pitch, he will use his tight turning capability to gain altitude and display the power of the most advanced fighter in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the tactical pitch. F-35C Lightning II. Together with the FA-18 Super Hornet, EA-18G Growler, and early warning E-2D Hawkeye platform, The F-35C is part of a team that is unmatched in the world today. Without the support of our professional maintainers, this demonstration by the Navy F-35C demo team today would not be possible. Today's F-35C maintenance team is comprised of Senior Chief Tito Cremona, Senior Justin Logan, AT-1 Kevin Kahn, AT-2 Autumn Bermudez, AM-2 Gilberto Cristula, and AME-2 Reese Steelmesh. The Rough Raiders of Strike Fighter Squadron 125, thank you for your support and encourage you to follow us on our Instagram page.